Liam, guess what?
What?
It's my birthday next week.
Wow. Can I come to your party?
Of course, I will send you an invitation. Let's make the birthday cards.
Need some help, Emma?
Yes, Mom. Liam's card should be extra colorful.
Great idea.
I finished the cards.
Thanks, Emma. I can't wait.
Invite your friends too. The more the merrier.
What cake do you want, Emma?
Chocolate with rainbow sprinkles.
Yummy. I want a slice too.
You'll get one, Liam.
Let's hang balloons and banners.
I'll help.
Don't let the balloons fly away.
Oops, almost did.
We need fun games for the party.
Pin the tail on the donkey.
And musical chairs.
Perfect. Everyone will enjoy.
Hi, Mia. Happy to see you.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Hello, everyone. Let's start the fun.
Okay, musical chairs.
I'm going to win.
Not if I sit first.
Ready, set, go.
Time for the cake.
Make a wish. Blows candles.
Happy birthday. That looks delicious.
Thank you all for the gifts.
Wow, a toy car.
And I got a cute diary.
Let's play together later.
Let's dance.
I like this song.
Shake your hands.
Dance party time.
Snacks are ready.
Yummy sandwiches and juice.
Can I have two?
Only one, for now. Let's do a treasure hunt.
I'm going to find the hidden gift.
Follow the clues.
Who will win? Thanks for coming.
I had so much fun.
See you soon, Emma.
Can't wait for next year. What a perfect birthday.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, friends, cake in game's best day ever.
Good night, Emma.
Good night, Liam.